Creating a photography website with Squarespace is a straightforward process that allows you to showcase your portfolio beautifully. Here's how to do it. Sign up for Squarespace. Visit the Squarespace website and sign up for an account. Choose a plan that fits your needs. Select a template. Browse through the available templates designed for photographers. Choose one that aligns with your style and click Start with this design. Customize your site. Access the Site Styles panel to adjust colors, fonts, and layouts. Use the Pages section to organize your site, creating pages like Home, Portfolio, About, and Contact. Upload your photography. Click on Portfolio and select Plus to add projects. Upload high-quality images, add titles and descriptions for each project to engage viewers. Optimize for SEO. Go to the Settings panel and input SEO titles and descriptions for better search engine visibility. Publish your site. Review your site and ensure all links work correctly. Click Publish to make your photography website live. Promote your website. Share your new website on social media and consider integrating Instagram to showcase your latest work.